I am Colonel R.D. Singh and I will be speaking on building personality traits as part of your preparation for SSB. The personality traits not only involves building up on your intellectual and physical aspects, but also working on the officer-like qualities in the armed forces, such as your interpersonal interaction and etiquettes which are part of day-to-day lives in the armed forces. The first one is building up on effective intelligence. It involves dealing with the complex situations with least assistance. This will help you build up on your knowledge and experience, create a sense of self-awareness and confidence amongst the people while they are working in the day-to-day lives. Coupled with that is the reasoning capability. Basically involves finding out reasons behind events and occurrences, helps in resolving the complex problems. Organizing capability is, in a nutshell, organizing your day-to-day life, your day-to-day work. It basically involves taking part in activities, primarily volunteering for them, and it greatly helps in building up other personality traits such as team building as well as patience in your day-to-day working. Communication skills are, gentlemen, very important part of your personality trait. It creates a sense of awareness in yourself, knowledge in yourself, as also helps in expressing your thoughts to the other person, whether he is listening to you or reading to you. Communication skills, both verbal and written, are very important. You can build up upon them through various means. One of the means of it is through reading various articles, books, magazines, newspapers and other media which are available. This helps you not only build up on your knowledge and experience, it also helps you build up your vocabulary and creates a sense of confidence while you are speaking or writing something. It also helps you express yourself effectively while you are communicating with others. Another means of gaining this trait is through watching videos. While you are seeing videos of personalities, various speakers, you not only gain the aspects such as vocabulary and the communication or the language which they are using, you also get to observe them while they are speaking, how they are speaking, what is the kind of expressions they are giving, and which will help you build up your own expressions while you are communicating verbally with a person, a group or an audience. Sense of responsibility and team building. Your effective intelligence, the organizing capability will be successful and more effective in case you inculcate a sense of responsibility and team building amongst yourself as well as your team or the people you are working with. The sense of responsibility also comes from taking up work or assignments voluntarily. This will help you build up a confidence in your team, as also build up your own confidence while you are undertaking various responsibilities as part of your team building activities. While we are talking about sense of responsibility and team building, we should also be concerned about prompt decision making. It involves not hesitating in taking lead in times of various situations of crisis, using your logical faculties to arrive at prompt solutions, which will help you build up on your knowledge, experience and the capability to address complex situations. Determination and courage are the two keystones to becoming a sturdy soldier. Courage, though, is inbuilt from the time you are born, but there is always ample scope to build upon it, develop it further and bring it to the level at which it is required in the armed forces. This can be done by undertaking various activities which involves crisis or complex situations, complex events, and arriving at logical conclusions from it. Lastly, a word about physical stamina. Physical stamina not only involves having a healthy body or a physically fit body, it also involves having a healthy lifestyle, healthy eating habits and a healthy sporting lifestyle wherein you are creating a mentally strong mind. This will give you confidence and help you go over the process of interview of SSB for 2 to 3 days in a very gradual and satisfying manner and helps you come out of it successfully. If you feel the need to improve upon the videos or you feel any aspects to be added, please feel free to fill up in the comment section below so that we can do the needful and put up fresh videos for your assistance. Lastly, thanking you for everything and all the best for you in your SSB interviews, and let's see you coming out in the flying colors.